queen of weird faces when I make a thumbnail. Hey friends, welcome to today's Slayglam box unboxing. Do I seem off? Probably, because I got my husband's cooties. Anyways, we're not gonna talk about it. I'm pretty sure I'm getting like this icky cold and I'm gonna whine about it. It's either that or PMS, or it could be the allergies, could be the weird weather changes. It was so beautiful. Yes, I'm like 105 and I'm gonna talk about the weather right quick, but it was gorgeous. It was like darn near 78 degrees the past 2 days, and it's like 50 something. Call me crazy, I know. I'm pretty sure that I might be getting a fever, so I'm gonna sleepless. And look, I was like, here, feel my hands, they're cold, but that could be my thyroid. Anyways, welcome to the rambles. You chose to click on the channel. First word, hot mess, Gemini ADHD, and it's been really strong, so there's that. Anywho's, it's friends, today we are unboxing our Slayglam box. So before I jump in to today's video and all the good goods, shout out to a huge good, Witch's Brew candle that smells heavenly. It's amazing. Gotta check Martha out over at the Good Candle. Her fall collection ends, I believe she posted saying November 10th. So I suggest run. They also, or she also has the boho diffusers that you can hang up in your car, and the oils. So once the scent runs out, you can just put some more oil on there. Yes, it's amazing. 10 out of 10 would recommend. The fall candles are one of my favorite collections with Martha, so code HOTMESS will save you 15%. No, I'm not sponsored. I just love to support small businesses. Martha is a dear friend of mine, so definitely give it a shot. And I've seen y'all's comments who said that you picked up at least one candle and I wasn't wrong, and I'm like, thank you. Okay. Anyways, welcome to the judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where she's gonna jump off track 15 times. My husband is down in the basement and he's probably listening going, the sass is strong, because as I was filming today on my other channel, look again, I'm gonna take 15 left-hand turns, and some of y'all asked for less editing, so and ooh, spicy. Anyways, I was filming on my vlog channel this amazing Halara haul. Yes, I love Halara, and yes, I have grippers on my socks, mind your business. But I was griping over there about the cooties that I got, and anyways, I don't know where that left-hand turn was going. I don't even know. I was just excited to show you all my pants and my gripper socks, but we should probably unbox. So the nice thing about the Slayglam box, it's a monthly box that's filled with a lot of makeup. Like if you are wanting makeup heavy subscriptions, this is where it's at. It's $24. You're gonna get like ×3 the amount or value. So you pay $24. Did I say 23? Ignore me, it's 24. Oh crap, I'm hungry too. Oh, I bet that's why I'm being spicy right now. I'm that person, like I give myself like, hurry up, incentive, finish your video, you can have a treat. I kid you not, I've got a box of Built Bar that I snack in between, especially with the fear of getting sick. I'm like, post out all your content. Anyways, code HOTMESS is gonna save you 10% at Slayglam box off your first box. It's not an affiliate code or nothing like that. It's just a way that you can save some money, but you're gonna get 24 ×3. That's the retail value of your box. Hopefully that made sense. So I will be back to do a try on of these items. Ooh. Okay. So it came in a bag this month. Sometimes it comes in a really cutesy box. This is a super heavy padded envelope. I'm excited because, okay, no shade to any other subscription boxes, but I don't even remember which one it was, but I remember specifically only getting one lip gloss. And it's, I think it was this brand, the Bella Pierre lip gloss quad. We got all 4. We got the whole flipping box, so that's pretty awesome. I wonder if there is a, hold on, I'm not done. I don't even know what this is. Are you kidding me? Okay, we just got a beauty crop set. There's legitimately still more to unbox. Are you kidding me? Okay, so we've got the Vintage Glow beauty set. It is valued at $44. It's the Vitamin Babe 3-piece mini eyeshadow palette, bronzer, and setting spray, all from the Beauty Crop. It does say like $10 for this set, but it does have like a $44 or something retail value. It's cruelty-free and vegan. That's what it looks like. And then this is the Bella Pierre set in the colors. But wait, there's more. All of this so far for just $24. Like, dang. This is the Bonfire eyeshadow palette. Oh, by Rasha B. I always worry I'm saying that wrong. Cosmetics. So it's in a really pretty like cardboard packaging, but it's like a metallic-y full type of box packaging. This is fun. This is really fun. Look at these colors. You guys know, like, don't let the eyes fool you. You know, when I'm filming on my other channel, ooh, this feels good. On my other channel, I'm doing like clothing. Ooh, that's a shifty shade. I'm doing clothing try-ons. Ooh, just those 3 colors alone would be a really pretty look. But when I'm doing clothing try-ons, I try and, oh, that's gorgeous, go with a neutral makeup. Okay, hold on. I forgot a wipey, so I gotta film. Oh, that's pigmented. Wow, okay. I gotta try it. Oh, that yellow. Let me do the pinky. Oh, okay, so can she do it? Okay, those 3, again, would be a gorgeous look. Don't look at my armpit, weirdo. I shaved though, you're fine. But those 3 would be so pretty together. This is like a pumpkin spice latte. Ooh, the pigment flippentation. Do you all see that? Like, yes. It's like the swatch that would have gone on for days had I not stopped it. That is beautiful. Let me clean. She's professional, I know. This is some staying power. Okay, we got 3 more. Oh, they feel amazing. Again, I like these 3 shades together too. I love the way this palette is laid out, y'all, because are you remember when I said I'm hungry and I'm spicy, and a few videos ago I said I'm not me when I'm tired or hungry? Ooh, I just got really, really itchy. I'm not putting the B word there. Okay, anyways, my husband's air compressor just went off and I just, yeah. Anyways, fortunately I didn't lose my train of thought. So the way that these are all like, well, I did, but I'm trying to bring it back. But the way that the color story is laid out, you literally have it all the guesswork done. Like, she took care of the guesswork. So all 3 go together, all 3 go together, all 3 go together. Like, everything is perfection. So even if you're scared of color, calm down and cover up the rows and just leave one exposed. You know what I'm saying? Like, look at that. You know, like, everything, like, kudos to you, because that is one thing I will tell you all when it comes to colorful palettes that really kind of scares me, is having to think, oh my gosh, how am I going to curate this look? You know what I mean? What colors are going to go? It's taken care of for you. Like, literally, the guesswork is out. So I love everything about this. I love that you've got like the pumpkin spice. I love that you got the jewel tones. Like, everything about this palette makes me so excited to play with it. So stay tuned, stick around, subscribe, because we are on a journey to 100K. We are on a journey to 100K. I kind of want my cheese and nut snack that I get from Costco. But isn't that gorgeous? I don't even know if it's gonna focus. There you go. Look at that. Flippin' beautiful. She's beautiful. No, wait, it's Christina Aguilera. Ooh, so next in here we've got the Italiana, I think is how you say it, Deluxe Ultra Fine Liner in Gold, which is, once again, gonna complement freaking every look in here. Every look in here. Now, I actually have the olive green one on today. Oh yeah, that's gonna be so pretty. That's actually really pretty. It's right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'll try and like zoom in or something. But I actually really like these. I'll be honest with y'all, some of these pencils don't perform really well. They're really hard, and I kind of want to go 90s and like light it and warm it up and then go in very carefully. But some of them like just apply beautifully. So it's kind of hit or miss with this particular brand, but I think she curated this perfectly. And then the last item is the Beauty Crop Lightning Crew Nourish with Pineapple Green. Is this it's a highlighting cream. Okay, well, I have a ton of highlighting cream, so I'm gonna put this in a future giveaway, which, by the way, I hope to get this edited for y'all on a Wednesday. So if that's the case, the giveaway is going on until tomorrow evening, so make sure to check my description box, jump over to the giveaway video, and as always, just a reminder, I'm not gonna comment under your comment saying that you won. That's just not the way that I do it. Trust me, you'll know that you won when the item arrives at your door, okay? So no, that's not how I contact you. Just keep that in mind. I feel like because I'm doing more and more giveaways over here, I need to remind you all. Two, it's not me. You know it's me because when I respond back, I can click the heart and I'm highlighted and it says Hotmess Momma MD. These people have been putting like random text, Don't ever do that. Don't do that. All right, so that is everything. To me, this is what I see. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You got 10 items in this Slayglam box. Like for $24 or less. That's a heck of a deal. Like, round of applause for Slayglam box. You are amazing. So definitely make sure to check my description box down below if you are interested in signing up. I would definitely personally recommend signing up for Slayglam box, because if you are interested in wanting to grow your makeup collection, this is definitely where it's at. So, and I think that this was one of my favorite Slayglam boxes. This was awesome. Thank you to Slayglam box for sending this box over my way to unbox for you all. I definitely appreciate it. I mean, I'm like so shocked by, this is a cute little palette, but this one, like, I don't want to be stingy. Honestly, I don't want to be stingy, so I feel like I should just give that away because I know I'm going to be making use of this palette. I think I'll share this in a future giveaway for you all, but I'm keeping this one for me, okay? All right, y'all, that is all for today's video. Make sure to check me out on my other channel, Hotmess Momma Vlogs, for plus size CoverGirl fashion hauls over there. Shout out and thank you to my YouTube members. Y'all don't have to help support this channel, but you choose to, and I appreciate you all. If you're interested in signing up to be part of the YouTube membership, make sure to check it down in my description box. I have all kinds of information down there. If you're curious about my makeup, I am actually up to date, yay, on all of my color matches. My base makeup is all SEINT makeup. If you want a free color match, there's a link down below for you all as well. And my eye makeup, what do I have on my eyes? Oh, I have my Gerard Cosmetics palette, and then the sparkly stuff that you see, it's actually loose powder, loose pigments from Makeup Geek, which unfortunately they don't have anymore. And my lashes are from AOA Studio, Shop Miss A. My lipstick, it's still on there, daggone. Okay, it's been on since early this morning. It's actually the lip liner in Nude, and it's Gerard Cosmetics. Come on, girl, what is it? Starts with an E. Can't remember. It's colored in, and then I topped it with Love lip gloss from Ofra. Code HOTMESS saves you money at both of those places if you're curious. All right, I have rambled long enough. I'm hopping off. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. Remember to fill out the form over on the other video for the giveaway for a chance to win the Ofra Cosmetics palette that I collabed with them and the lip duo. There will be more giveaways coming soon, and remember, don't click on anyone's comment or jump off the platform and go to another one, because that's not me. Okay, I should go have a snack now, but I'm not. I'm gonna film one more video. You guys gonna see it soon. Okay, until next time, kisses from Kentucky. That was freaking ridiculous. Okay, bye.
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you, hit you up, I'm on the other side. inside. I miss you, miss you. Take you off, I came here way too strong. Cannot keep it low key. Got me.